Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing good. In today's video, we are going to see this gorgeous bracelet. You can see I made this coil kind of chain links with some pearl glass beads, and this is how it looks like. It's quite easy. Let's see how to make this. To make this, you need a copper wire, which is 20 gauge, and for tools, you need 6-step bail making plier, flush cutter, and chain nose plier and round nose plier, and finally you need a ruler. This link, you need to trim the wire for 15 centimeter length, and at 6 centimeter length bend the wire like this and take the looping plier and using the step 2 make a loop like this. Now take the chain nose plier, hold on top of this loop with the round nose plier, wrap this wire for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let me wrap it for 5 times. Take the flush cutter, trim the wire here, and at the end, tuck this nicely. Now take the round nose plier and bend this wire as close as possible, like this, and again take the looping plier and place it on here with the step 2. This time we are going to wrap the wire on top of this previous wraps. Make sure you are wrapping on between this 2 wires like this here. Avoid wrapping on top of this wire, but try to wrap in between those wraps, 2 wraps. Let me show you. Let's make another link. I have bent this wire for 6 centimeter length. Now form a loop. Attach this link we already made and wrap this wire for 4 times. One, two, three, 4. After you tuck the end, bend closely and form a loop using step 2. Take a joiner plier and hold it very tight on here, mm, and wrap this wire. Let me finish the remaining links and I will show you. I'm back. So I completed so far, and this is my last link. I also completed this clasp. If you want to see how to make on this, check my previous video. I have showed how to make this clasp. Okay, this is my last link. I'm not going to make any this clasp to close like this. Instead of this, I'm going to make this loop little bit bigger so we can use that loop as for closing our bracelet. For that, I'm taking step 3 instead of step 2. I hope this will gives a bigger loop. Let's see. Yeah, I think this should be big enough to close my bracelet into this loop. Okay, this is my last wrap. At this end. We are done with our bracelet. Let's try on this. It's look pretty nice. We haven't added any bead like this bracelet. We go for only plain chain links. It's kind of look like unisex bracelet. I don't know, but this looks very good. You can pair it up with uh, by wearing a watch on your wrist, packing with other bracelet. Thanks for joining me today, and if you like this video, hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye everyone, until I see you next time.